Outside, meteorologist Damon Matson joining us for another look at the forecast. Damon, maybe some people are getting ready to go out, do that holiday shopping. What are they going to expect?
Well, I think it's a lot better than this morning when we had all that frost, even some icy patches on the roads. I don't know if you saw any of those out there.
I did not. I had some ice on the roof of my car, though. So.
Okay, yeah. It was definitely much colder, but as we go throughout the day, things are looking up. So, folks, it's going to be a good day to try to get those holiday preparations going. Look at that beautiful shot. Lots of sunshine there with the National Cathedral and quite a blue, clear sky in the background. And there we have Hagerstown, just as crystal clear of a sky there, as we are going to enjoy quite a bit of sunshine as we move throughout the rest of this Tuesday afternoon. Look at that, quiet as can be on the satellite and radar picture. No sign of that storm system that we had to wrap up the weekend. Things are looking fantastic, with high pressure just nearby, keeping this quiet pattern going as we move into the middle of the week. And there are those temperatures again, folks. This is a very big improvement from where we were at early this morning, but no question, it is still going to remain a little bit chilly out there. So grab that jacket. 44 DC, 45 Frederick, Leesburg, and then we still have some upper 30s to low 40s across the Shenandoah Valley. But given our sunny sky and lighter winds that we have in place out there, we should see these temperatures jump up a few more degrees. So we do end up just a little bit warmer than we were out there yesterday. So there we go. That's the trend the rest of the day. Much calmer with sunny skies in place. Now, later tonight, going into Wednesday, one of the only features of note passing through, a dry cold front will be arriving, kicking up a little bit of wind once again heading into the day tomorrow. But all we're going to see aside from that wind is just a little bit of added cloud cover, no precipitation as we continue to stay extremely quiet. We'll have temperatures even warming up finally by the time we get to Friday, as this very dry pattern continues all the way into the upcoming weekend. Just not looking like bad weather days ahead of us here, folks. Now, temperatures, though, again, they will remain on the chilly side here, especially with that reinforcing shot of colder air arriving. But by the middle of this afternoon, we're talking upper 40s in and around the DC metro, mid 40s as you go back to the west. Now, later on tonight, given the fact that we will have a relatively clear sky once again, temperatures will tumble, but this time around less of those 20s, more of those low to mid 30s. So not quite as cold as we head into the start of your Wednesday morning, but here we are tomorrow afternoon with that northwest wind rushing in with some of that colder air. We will end up just slightly chillier than today, as we're expecting highs tomorrow once again in the low to mid 40s. So it's just that slight back and forth, but overall we do have some chilly air staying locked in place all the way at least until Thursday. And part of that, again, I've been talking about here, the winds should not be all that bad through today and then even through your Tuesday night. But once we head into the day on Wednesday here, we are going to see those wind speeds pick up just a little bit. Only 10 to 15 miles per hour, though, folks. Not nearly as windy as what we experienced this past Sunday and throughout the day at times yesterday. So all in all, there is that very sunny stretch of weather with temperatures staying chilly until we go back to the 50s Friday into Saturday. And we're keeping our eye closely on late Sunday into Monday. It looks like we could see our next storm system with our next batch of rain moving into the picture.